Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove the door handle for the 2020 RS3 Audi. Hoje eu vou mostrar para vocês como tirar a maçaneta da porta do RS3. Eu vou mostrar para vocês como tirar, how to remove the door, como tirar a maçaneta da porta, ok? Alright guys, let's go start. Okay, how you can see, you got two little holes here and another one at the bottom, right? You gotta stick, okay, let me show. I make this key because I don't have the right key to remove, to unlock the little lock. Okay, I did like that. Pega um cabidezinho aí, ó, corta ele, corta aqui, corta aqui. Now I'm gonna do a little angle in the end here, like this. You know what I'm saying? Here, and turn like that. See? Make one. Okay. Now you're gonna stick the screwdriver this much. I think this much. Okay. Let's put the light and the little hole go on the top, for you see the lock is there, right? Because I can't put the camera there to show you guys how where's the lock, right? But when you put the light here, you can see the little lock. I'm gonna show the front door is the same thing. It's better to you see how the locks work, okay? But for the rear door, you gotta do like that. And here, you see the little lock in there. Turn the key a little bit and pull like this. See, just unlock, right? And now you can take the first step, the cylinder here. Okay, that's so easy. And you got the door handles off the car. Você tem a maçaneta fora da porta, ok? Eu vou mostrar para vocês a porta dianteira, para vocês verem onde está o lock da porta lá, right? When you wanna put it back, just do like this, and the lock is inside there. You gotta pull. I'm sorry, you gotta push to lock the cylinder, right? Aí depois você tem que empurrar ele para frente para poder travar, ok? Eu vou mostrar para vocês a porta da frente, que é mais fácil para vocês terem uma noção, ok? You see the circle there, right? It's right there. Okay, you're gonna stick the little screwdriver in here. You see it? Up and pull like this. You see, it's unlocked. If you put it back, it's unlocked, like there. You see it? Here, and pull like this. See? I'll put the camera back here. Okay. After you do that, you're just gonna take the first part here. Oops, you see, and do like this. That's off. The front door, you have to take the door panels off because you got the wires there. That's right, you gotta take the door panel. The rear door, you not need to do that. The rear door, the front door, you gotta do that because they got the wire inside. See, put it back and like that. There's no hard. Alright, pessoal. E ok, essa é a dica de hoje aí. Esse é um Audi 2020. Então hoje fica a dica de hoje aí de como tirar a a maçaneta da porta. Ok, pessoal? Abraço aí.